Guys, welcome back to Sister Ever, and today is Saturday, and on the time of Saturday we usually have a really good and heavy breakfast, and so for today we are making Lachedar Paratha. Now for this you will need 2 tablespoons of butter, half cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, and in this measuring cup we have already mixed whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour together, 1 cup of each. Our Lachedar Paratha is ready, and we're serving with green onion and cheese scrambled eggs. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn post notifications so you get notified every time I post another video. Make sure to share with friends and family, and bye guys.